we are going to see a new topic. What is extruded cut? How we will use it, extruded cut. This structure, this drawing we created in our last lecture. In our last lecture we created this rectangle and circle. Now we will try to extrude. How we will see. So first we will select this circle and just select extruded cut. Now a window came here, see. Now we will see it. Now this is the blind mode. If you want to cut how many depth, 20, 30, 40, click OK. See, up to inside 40 mm cut. Again re-edit, just select this cut and edit feature. Now we again inside the edit feature. If we want to make any angle, select this angle, any angle like 10 degree. See, if you want to increase outside, select OK. See, the hole here bigger, it cuts like a conical shape. Just re-edit, uncheck angle. The second option is through all. You can cut up to throughout. See, select OK. See, it cuts through all hole. Again we will see new option, just click and edit feature. Now there is another option, up to next. Up to next means what is the next body. So this face is the next, so it will cut up to this, only up to this. Then there is a next option, up to vertex. Vertex means up to any line. See, this is the vertex. Select this line, click OK. See, it cuts up to this vertex only. Now, see from the inside. Edit, re-edit the feature. And now next select up to surface. Now up to surface you have to select a surface. So we will select this back surface. Select OK. Now see, it cuts up to this surface. Edit feature. Now there is a up to body. Up to body means if there is any body in front of this body, then we will select up to body. And mid plane, it will cut from both the sides. If we will extrude, see, there is no body. If any body is here, it will cut from both the sides, either this side or this side. But we have only one body, so no need mid plane, only blind. The same as here, as like in extrude cut, extrude boss, the direction 2 also here. If you want to make anything on other side, you can just increase and decrease. But we don't have any other body in other side, so no need direction 2. This is the same what you want to cut, as like in extruded boss. Just select the body what you want to cut, or the sketch what you want to cut. And there is one option, all body. This I will explain how this is going to perform. So here we are going to cut through all. Select OK. See, it is cut through all. Now we will see our next body. This is our next sketch 2. Select extruded cut. Select this and select extruded cut. Now this is our next body going to select. The same as here I explained everything, mid plane, through all, vertex, up to surface, 40 mm degree. And this one, there is one more option, flip side cut. If you will choose flip side cut, see, now this is going to cut from outside. Select OK. See, it is cut from outside, not from inside. So just re-edit, edit feature and uncheck OK. Then there is angle option also. If you want to change angle, select OK. See, it cuts with angle. Edit feature. Now change angle. The same as here, direction 2. You want to cut, but there is no body or no plane in direction 2, so it's no need. Then counter selection. This is same as like our previous as like extruded boss. You have to select the body, and this is extruded body. I will explain how to do it. Okay. Just edit. Just delete this option. Now we will see how to use another portion. Just we want to create one body here. Just select this body, sketch, go to sketch and select convert entity. Now see, this plane is converted. Now go to feature, select extruded boss. Now we want to extrude. Let's extrude up to somehow, and this is showing the merge result. Click OK. See, this become one body. There are solid bodies. See, this is one body. This all one body. But again go to this feature, select extruded. Because it's selected merge result. Select unmerge. Select OK. Now see, this is two different bodies. See. So in that case, now we will try to do extrude cut. Okay, this is our sketch. So select extruded cut. Now see, our body is going to cut. So go to here in choose all body or selected body. Select this body. If we will select all body, it will cut through all. But if we will select only this body, it will cut only up to here. And here choose through all. But here we have to select this body or this body. If you will select all body, it will cut through all body. But if you will select one body, it will cut only one body. So click OK. See, in this body it is not cut. But see, the second body they cut it. This is the method of full body or auto body or selected body. Edit it. If we will select all body, select OK. Now see, it is cut through all. So this is the main feature of extruded cut. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very easy and simple how to use extruded command, and it is very useful and very useful command in SolidWorks. You need in every place, in every geometry you need to use this command. It is same as like extruded boss. I hope you enjoyed